everyone, welcome back to my channel. Natural Roxy here. So today I'm going to be doing a natural top knot bun using this double jumbo afro kinky hair. It has two packs of afro kinky twists in here. I wanted to do a kinky twist in my hair with this bundle, but not right now. I'm trying to find new styles for my hair for the New Year's. But for today we're going to do a top knot bun. I'm going to be going in first and lathering my hair with the Eco Styler gel, which I hate this thing because sometimes it flakes, but it is what it is. I'm going to be using it today, and because I really didn't have any other gel that I wanted to use, and this works well anyway. So I'm just going to brush up my hair. My hair is not blown out. I washed it, it was clean, and I just left it in the short shrinkage state of mind that it likes to do. So I'm just brushing it up and making sure that my hair is evenly distributed and flat. As you know, I am still trying to grow my edges out because I have this alopecia. It has been doing good in certain parts of the hair, but I haven't been that consistent for the past couple of months because I have been just busy, but trying. So I'm just going to put my hair up in this knot with this red scrunchie, and I'm just going to drag my hair under it so it could stay in place. So now I'm just going to brush up my hair with my hands, and I'm going to be using a little brush as well to make sure that my hair is nice and flat and everything. But I found this gel, which is an edge control, and I find it on Instagram with this young lady who has a company that does hair as well as sell this product. And she said it doesn't flake, and I've seen reviews from other people, and guys, it does not flake. I love this edge control. It is so nice. I'll put a link down below if you guys are interested. But this gel, guys, ooh, it's an edge control, guys. Sorry, it is amazing. When I say, when you want to get that perfect defined scoop of edges, yes, it really holds down, and it does not flake at all. And that's what I love. It does not flake. I'm not with them baby hairs. Not on this channel. We don't do baby hairs. I just like to slick back my hair and just have like a little type of swoop in, design in my head. But when it comes to baby hairs, no, we don't do that. I think I'm a little too old for baby hairs, but that's nevertheless, I don't do baby. So I'm just trying to fix up my hair, swoop it the way that I like it, try to make sure that my hair is blending in properly and there's no, parts in between my hair, because my hair is thin in the front, and so I have to make sure that it's flat. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that and make sure everything is nice and flat in the hair. So this is the hair. I did separate the bundles because I felt like the bundles were too thick, and I made it a little smaller. I think it was like maybe 4 or 5 pieces of hair that I did take away. So I'm gonna use the scrunchie that I have, and this scrunchie, just using it to put in between the hair so that I can wrap that scrunchie around that bun that I have on top. So I go around maybe 4 or 5 times with the scrunchie. Afterwards I did go back in and do it a little bit more because it was too loose, but I just took the hair and wrapped it in 2, like if I'm going to twist my hair in 2 twists, and then take the hair and wrap around that bun. And I went ahead and just wrapped it, and then after wrapping it, just make sure that I can get it to the adjusted style that I like on top of my head. Some pieces were out. You can use a hairpin, or you can just fix it the way that I am trying to adjust it to make it be in a nice style. And as you can see, I had like that little piece of scrunchie that was left. I had to go back in and twirl it around my head. I did not use hairpins because I just don't like hairpins. They feel so uncomfortable, guys. So, but you can if you want to. You don't want it to fall down or fall out or whatever the case may be. But for me, it worked, and I love it. This is the hairstyle. This is how it came out. And my hair is pretty slick and mixed. Like, I have mixed hair, so I didn't have to put a scarf to hold down my hair at all. This edge control is amazing, guys. Like, go ahead and check her out. I'll put her Instagram link down, as well as the link to the website where I purchased it. But guys, the edge control is amazing. So this is the bun. This is how I decided to wear it. I hope you liked the video, and I'll see you guys next year. Happy New Year's.